Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to translate those videos. And currently right now, I am currently inside a website called 11 Labs. If you've heard about this one, this is mainly about text-to-speech and speech-to-speech, right? And actually, it's one of the best AI text-to-speech out there. But there is one feature here that I love the most that I want to share with you guys. It's gonna be the translation of any videos that you have. So let's get started right here. So this should be the landing page you're seeing also on your end. Once you log in, this is the first thing you should be seeing. And this is the link. If you're not familiar with the link, it's 11labs.io. And let's get started right here. So a little side note before we get to the translation of videos is this one. So if you're familiar with text-to-speech, it can convert any text into speech with any AI voices. So we have the default of Adam, and with the spirit of Christmas, we have Santa Claus. We also have a lot of AI here, so please check them out. They also have speech-to-speech. That being said, you can upload any voice you have and combine them with any AI. Or rather, let's just say improve it. You can edit the voice settings, etc. And you can just drop in your audio right here. It's pretty user-friendly, there's not much complexity here. Anyway, to get to the video itself and get to the video translation, I want you to click on dubbing. It's on the top section right here. So once we click on this one, we'll arrive on this landing page and you'll see create and edit dubs in seconds. So for now, we can just simply click on this one and we can simply name our project. Let's just say sample 1. Now we can auto detect any languages, but for now, since we can help AI to further have that quality that we want, we can just preset the language we're implying. For example, my video that I'm going to use for today is going to be based on English. And my target language, let's just say, I'm going to go with French, or let's just say Japanese. So you have a lot of options here where you can get your video. You can upload by yourself from your desktop or laptop. You can use YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, or X, if you may say it, Vimeo, and other URL. Just paste the video URL here, and you'll be good to go. So for this video, I'm going to use a sample video I got. I created it just for this presentation. It's a dub sample video. So simply click on that one and let's look for my video. Here we go. So basically this video I got from Pexels and I just dubbed it. And let's see if it will work out to Japanese. So with this one, you can click on advanced settings and you can check number of speakers. So to, again, fully help AI, again, this is only AI, will not get it 100%. So to further help it with the quality we're looking for, we can help it to the utmost of our potential. So how many numbers of speakers that I dubbed here? I only use 1. Video resolution, I'm going to stay at medium because this is a free account. And by the way, I'm going to talk to you about the pricing later on. So the exact time range of dubbing, you can put it here by hours, minutes, and seconds. But since this is only a few seconds, I'm going to leave it as it is. Add watermark to reduce character by usage 30%. This is going to be fixed because this is a free trial. So this dub will cost approximately 325 characters. Simply click on create when you're satisfied. And let's wait for it to finish. And while waiting, it will take around a minute or so. Let's get on with the pricing. So right now, these are the pricing of 11 Labs. I have a free trial, as you can see, $0 forever. I have these features. The difference is that for the paid version, which is actually the first month is $80 off, it's $1 per month. Everything is free, 30,000 characters per month, create up to 10 custom voices, accent to instant voice cloning, which is we also have on the creators version. However, if you're loving 11 Labs, for example, you're trying out for the first time, try it for a few weeks for their free trial, and I suggest move up to a starter plan after a month or so. And that being said, we also have this plan where growing business for $330 per month. We also have enterprise, but this is to be discussed depending on the price ranges and so. And these are the characters I've used so far. Now, I'm not sure if they are replenished, or rather, the 10,000 limit is going to be replenished, but as you can see right here, it is replenish or refresh per month. Anyway, let's get on with this one. Let's go back to our project. Let me just close this. And as you can see, it's already done. We have options to remove, download, or view. So for the sake of the video, let's view it first and listen to the dub.
それではおはようございます。こんにちは。そしてこんばんは。これは Pexels から取得したサンプルの吹き替えビデオです。現在11秒間吹き替えています。
Oh, I'm sure we've heard about that, and to be honest, I am quite shocked. This is my first time listening to it though, and that is my voice, or if not entirely, that is around 80% to 90% of my voice. And then by the way guys, you can download it if you're satisfied with this, simply download it here. And if you have friends and colleagues that can understand Japanese, I suggest make them listen to it first to check if it's really accurate, especially if you're publishing this for a lot of audiences or using it for education purposes. Anyway, simply click on download with that one, and you'll see it be downloaded on your PC right away. That being said, that is how we translate videos using this application. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.